Good morning, everybody. It is morning. I'm kind of trying to keep it down because I got some people sleeping and I'm about ready to go on a backpacking trek. We're about ready to get started. I just picked up this bag, left the tag on, but we're going to take care of that. I just wanted to show you right before I start stuffing it with everything that I'm going to be taking on my backpacking trip. I just wanted to kind of cover the ins and outs and show you guys what you get. If you've never had a backpacking bag before, this is a great one to start with for sure. It is not heavy by any stretch of the imagination. It is perfect. It's going to give you 3 to 5 days of backpacking gear. It's that big, and you're going to be able to put just about anything that you need in there. Don't be like me. My first backpacking trip, I did not know what to do. I brought canned food. Can you believe it? I had no idea. Just my wife and I, we bought canned food. Yeah, don't do that. I still remember that experience. It was like 20 years ago. From that experience, we actually started loving the outdoors and backpacking. Now we're here in a campground right here, and this is where we're going to be launching from. We're going to take off and then come back. What a beautiful, look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Early morning. That's the life of a full-time RVer right there. This summer, I intend to enjoy the outdoors a lot more with this bag right here. So, all right, let me take you on a quick journey because I am gonna get started and we're gonna get going here in about an hour on our trek. So right out of the gate, one of my favorite features is right here where I usually will put like my tent or bedroll or something like this. I love that, but it also has these, it's already interlocked into here so these don't come out or anything like that, and you can just cinch them up. And you have that spot right there. I love it when bags have this. And then, but this is cool too because it has a flap right here. So it covers the zipper. Plus you have these little holes right here. So if you wanted to, you could actually put a luggage lock right there. If you were traveling with this bag, you could, but again, you can not only luggage lock it, but you can clamp it down so nobody's getting access to this pouch right here. So that's pretty cool for all people that like to travel with these big backpacks. I don't usually do that, but that's pretty cool as well. So here is your rain fly right here. Look at that. It's not your typical rain fly that's in the pouch and then it's obviously separated, but I do that because now you have full control over how much, right? So your back is not going to get wet either, your whole bag. So you do have this string if you want to hook it up, or if you want to keep it outside your tent, you can put the whole bag in here and then just keep it outdoors on the ground or whatever. So I love that because every time the ones where you just pull and pull over, you just have the one side dry, the other side would be wet from either the morning dew or if there's a rainstorm or whatever. So this is really cool. Plus it gives you a handle where you can carry it and transport it. So I actually really love this rain fly. It's the first rain fly that actually gives you that flexibility to whether I just want the back covered because I'm hiking with it and it's starting to rain, or it'll cover the entire thing of your backpack and then you can just transport it like that. So that's really cool. So that's where that lives. If I'm not keeping that there, this is also usually where I put my sleeping bag, right in here. You can do probably, there's definitely enough room in here to do both. So I just thought, wow, that's pretty cool. I had to show that to you. It's like, oh, it's a cover, but no, it's not like any other cover. So I had to show that one to you. And again, just these little things like this bag is, oh, you know what? We're listening to the backpackers. What did they want? I did not take this tag off. So you're not coming with me. You're too, any added weight you don't want. So I thought I got them all, but yeah, just like I said, this is the first time I'm using this bag. So in here is your main pouch where you're gonna pack everything. I love how it's kind of like a clamshell opening. So you can stuff it from the top down, or you can open it up and have a little bit easier access when you're building your base right here. Everything's flat. This is the hard plastic against you. You do have this bag here, and you have this little separator here. I usually will put some mills in here, right? Freeze-dried stuff. That's just how I pack it. And then on the side, you have what I call fishing pole holders, fishing rod holders for me. I put fishing rod holders right here, string them up right here on this side, and then water bottle on the other side, generally, or 2 fishing poles. And then you have on this side, what you got right here on the top, you have what I like to call like a theft pouch right here. Oh, look, you get a little gift. Again, I probably haven't even seen this. Let's open it up together. What is this gift that they give you? That's cool. It's like an envelope. Oh, okay. If you get a hole or whatever, it's an extra pouch. So probably gonna put that right back in here. That is a gift. It's a gift that keeps on giving. All right, and then you have like a key holder right here, and then a pocket pouch where you can keep like your personal items, anything like that. I usually keep up top, and then on the outside right here, you got one last pouch right here on the top. And that's about it for the tour of the Nomad. Guys, my favorite thing already is the Rainfly. Other than that, it is a awesome bag. You can adjust it from small, medium to large person. Just with the Velcro right here, it's a pretty strong Velcro. I cannot get that off, which is awesome. So you can adjust that. You have your camel pack integration right here, and you have a SOS whistle, and then you have the nice big padding right here. All right, I'm kind of jonesing to get on that hike, right? It's been too long. We're not doing a strenuous one, but we're gonna do, just because I'm not in the best of shape right now for those long hikes. But check that out. I'm getting back into the weight that I want to be at so I can enjoy more of the outdoors. This is the first one we've done in a long time. We're getting old, we're getting up there, so we're not gonna go too crazy, but check this out. All right, everything you want and more from a pack. So I will see you guys on the trail.